Assalamualaikum guys. So this is my recipe 3 of Chinese scones and Chinese poppers. First I will let you know about the dough, and it's a normal dough. It's all-purpose flour, or you may say a maida. I take it 1 cup, and then kalonji, salt, moringa powder for just health concern, and 2 tablespoons of oil so it will knead properly. Chicken mince oil, and oil is definitely for frying and for filling purpose. And cabbage, you can shape it yourself however you like to shape it. And mix vegetables, you can use whatever vegetable you have, and I have these vegetables so I use it. I use homemade chili flakes, zira, black pepper, salt as per taste, and chili powder. Use these chili sauce and soya sauce vinegar to taste it or give flavor as Chinese. In this lockdown, I don't have a known company mayonnaise, so I bought it from outside, and it tastes good, by the way, and it's a local brand. So let's start preparation of filling, and it's really easy, but you can do variation of ingredients, and it's just my recipe, so I will share you by myself. Now let's keep it aside and add mayonnaise, and it's up to you how much mayonnaise you would like, but it's not to be so much wet. Just mix properly with the vegetables. One thing more, I am giving it a cone shape, but it's up to you however you would like to give it a shape. Even you can shape it like a normal samosa, or just give it a D shape, whatever you like to do by itself, or make it a circle, whatever you like. Now let me show how I make poppers. The dough has moringa powder in it with all-purpose flour, so it will give a little dark color after frying. It was so much crispy and very much juicy because of mayonnaise in it. So make it by yourself at your home in this quarantine season, and thank you for watching.